Alright, I got a problem with my washer now. And down here, I got the belts. The belts were shredded. But now it's not working. I don't know. Here, take a look. So, I'm here. You got me. I got this thing. I don't know why it goes up and down. But when it's got tension on it, like that, it does alright. So you got this one, right? And this one, that's two. See the two? One goes up at top. Follow that around, goes here. I think that's how it goes. And then this one goes all the way back. But then you got this. You got me. See it? I don't know what's going on now, but it doesn't want to go. Like, it's weird. So anybody that knows how washing machines work, that'd be cool. I looked on YouTube. I have a bunch of different ones, but this is old, and maybe it's something simple that I'm missing. Yeah. So look, I'm all dirty and shit. But yeah, if you can help me out, I'd like, it'd be a big help. So you see, I got this, right? So it's a Maytag. You got me? Pretty old school. But look. See, I drained all the water out. You see it? I don't know why. And there's no pulley up here. That's where the motor is and everything. You see? This is the double. 1, 2. And there's this. This one goes in and out. Like to tighten it. I don't know what that is. Like, whatever that is. So if you know, help me out. Thank you.